Ever dreamed of wandering through colorful streets filled with music, food, and ancient secrets? Welcome to Barcelona, a city where every corner feels like a painting come to life. From towering cathedrals to sunny beaches, and from quiet parks to busy markets, Barcelona is bursting with stories waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll explore the city's most stunning places, like magical buildings designed by the world-famous architect Gaudí, and beaches where locals play soccer as the sun sets. We'll also learn cool facts, taste yummy foods, and meet the people who make Barcelona feel so alive. Whether you're a curious explorer or just daydreaming about your next adventure, there's something here for you. So hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and let us know in the comments, what would you do first in Barcelona? Let's dive in. Barcelona is full of surprises. Did you know that FC Barcelona, the city's famous soccer team, also has pro teams in basketball and handball? It's more than a club, it's a big part of the city's heart. And then there's Antoni Gaudí, the genius behind Barcelona's most unique buildings. His work, like the Sagrada Família and Parc Güell, looks like it's straight out of a dream. Locals also celebrate fun traditions like castells, a tradition from across Catalonia, not just Barcelona, where people build human towers during festivals. From art to sports to traditions, Barcelona knows how to stand out in style. Barcelona is perfectly placed between the Mediterranean Sea and the Collserola mountain range, giving it the best of both worlds, sunny beaches and scenic hills. It's a coastal city that stretches along golden shores, making it a favorite for swimmers, surfers, and sunset watchers. The weather here is called Mediterranean climate, which means hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters, great for outdoor adventures almost all year round. The city is divided into vibrant neighborhoods or districts, each with its own feel. The Gothic Quarter is full of narrow, twisty streets, while Example is known for wide boulevards and modernist buildings. Every corner of Barcelona tells a different story through its geography. Barcelona isn't just about buildings and busy streets. It's also full of green escapes and natural beauty. Along its coastline, you'll find several sandy beaches, perfect for swimming, sand castle building, or just relaxing under the sun. Just beyond the city, the Parc de Collserola stretches across the hills like a giant green blanket. Covering about 8,000 hectares, or 84 kilometers, it's one of the largest urban parks in Europe, with forests, trails, and even wild animals like foxes and owls. Locals come here to hike, bike, or simply enjoy the peaceful views. Inside the city, parks like Parc de la Ciutadella offer quiet spaces filled with fountains, palm trees, and friendly ducks. Barcelona's mix of nature and city life makes it easy to explore without ever feeling too far from the outdoors. Whether you love the sea, the trees, or both, Barcelona's nature is never far away. Barcelona is filled with jaw-dropping landmarks. The most famous is the Sagrada Família, a massive basilica designed by Gaudí that's still being built over 140 years later. Wander through the Gothic Quarter, where old stone streets lead to cathedrals and hidden courtyards. And don't miss the Palau de la Música Catalana, a concert hall with colorful glass and detailed carvings. These places make you feel like you've stepped into a storybook made of stone and light. If you love the outdoors, Barcelona won't disappoint. Climb Montjuic Hill for epic city views and gardens filled with flowers. Parc Güell, another of Gaudí's masterpieces, looks like a candy-colored park with wavy benches and mosaic lizards. And of course the beaches are perfect for a warm day. Some are just steps from the city center. These natural spots offer calm, color and fresh air right in the middle of a buzzing city. Get ready to taste Barcelona. Try tapas, which are small, tasty dishes like patatas bravas or garlic shrimp, perfect for sharing. Want something sweet? Churros with thick hot chocolate are a must. And if you're really hungry, head to La Boqueria market, where colorful stalls sell fresh fruit, meats, cheeses, and candy. Every bite in Barcelona tells a story of tradition, flavor, and fun. Barcelona knows how to party. Every September, the city explodes with music and fireworks during La Mercè, its biggest festival. In April, Sant Jordi Day turns the streets into a giant book and flower fair, kind of like a mix of Valentine's Day and World Book Day. There are also fun parades with giant puppet figures called gegants. These events are lively, colorful, and full of local spirit. Barcelona is part of Catalonia, a region with its own language, Catalan, and a strong identity that's different from the rest of Spain. While Spanish is spoken everywhere, many locals proudly speak Catalan at home, in schools, and even on street signs. This dual identity makes Barcelona's culture especially rich and unique. Music and dance are huge here too. While flamenco comes from southern Spain, you'll still see amazing performances in Barcelona, full of rhythm and emotion, mainly staged for visitors, since it's not native to Catalonia. Locals also enjoy sardana, a traditional Catalan circle dance performed during festivals. Meet Martí, a 12-year-old from the Gracia district. He says, "When we celebrate Sant Jordi, we decorate our school with roses and books. It makes me feel proud to be Catalan." Stories like Martí's show how deeply traditions are passed down through families and communities, keeping Barcelona's heart alive, one celebration at a time. Life in Barcelona moves to its own rhythm. Many shops close in the afternoon for a siesta, a short rest before the evening picks up again, though bigger stores and tourist areas often stay open all day, so it's less universal than in rural Spain. Dinner usually happens around 9 or 10 p.m., with long meals full of conversation and laughter. People here value community and connection. You'll often see neighbors chatting in plazas and kids playing late into the evening. There's a strong sense of togetherness, where family time and enjoying life come first. Whether it's a weekend walk or a festival night, Barcelonians know how to live life fully and happily. Barcelona's economy is powered by tourism, but it's also becoming a tech hub, recently ranking 5th among startup ecosystems in the EU, with thousands of startups and creative companies moving in, though it's still catching up to places like Berlin or Amsterdam. The city is famous for its artisan goods, like hand-painted tiles, leather bags, and local crafts found in small shops and open-air markets. For travelers, Barcelona can be affordable, especially with budget-friendly tapas bars, public transport, and free city parks. Many students and families find it a great place to live or visit because there's so much to enjoy without spending too much. At the same time, local leaders have introduced stricter controls and short-term rentals like Airbnb to protect housing for residents, as demand from tourism has pushed prices up sharply in recent years. It's a smart mix of tradition, innovation, and good value. Barcelona's story goes way back, over 2,000 years. It began as a Roman settlement, and you can still see ruins beneath parts of the city today. During medieval times, kings ruled from stone castles, and the Gothic Quarter was filled with knights and traders. In the late 1800s, artist Antoni Gaudí transformed the city with his wild, colorful architecture. Then in the 1930s, Spain faced a civil war and Barcelona was deeply affected. It was a hard time, but the city held on to its spirit. Today, Barcelona blends all these past chapters into something truly special and alive. Barcelona is the capital of Catalonia, a region in Spain with its own government and strong sense of identity. Catalonia is autonomous, meaning it makes many of its own decisions, like running schools and public services. Many people here feel a deep pride in their Catalan culture, language and history. Sometimes they even hold peaceful protests asking for more independence from Spain. These events are usually calm and full of flags, songs and speeches. For visitors, it's a chance to see how a city's spirit can shape its politics in meaningful and respectful ways. Planning a trip to Barcelona? The best times to visit are spring, April to June, and early fall, September to October, when the weather is sunny but not too hot. Getting around is easy with the metro, buses and trams, and many sites are walkable. To save money, try combo tickets for museums and use free city walking tours. Local markets are great for affordable meals and snacks. Remember, meal times are later than in many countries. Lunch is around 2 p.m. and dinner often starts at 9. It's polite to say bon dia, good morning in Catalan, and don't be surprised if shops close for a midday break. Barcelona welcomes curious, respectful travelers. Barcelona is generally safe for travelers, but like any big city, it's smart to stay alert. One common issue is pickpocketing, especially in crowded spots like Las Ramblas or on the metro. Keep your bag zipped and close to you. The city has many family-friendly areas, like the beachside Barceloneta, peaceful Gracia, and big parks where kids can run around. For health, tap water is safe to drink and pharmacies are easy to find. Just remember sunscreen and stay hydrated in summer. With a little care, exploring Barcelona can be safe, fun, and stress-free. Barcelona has a strong infrastructure that makes life easy for both locals and visitors. The public transport system is excellent, with metros, buses, and trams connecting the whole city. Many places offer free Wi-Fi, especially in parks, cafes, and libraries. The city has well-rated schools, including international ones for families moving from abroad. That's one reason Barcelona is popular with digital nomads. Fast internet, cozy co-working spaces, and sunny weather make it a perfect base. Whether you're studying, working remotely, or exploring with family, Barcelona combines comfort with convenience in all the right ways. From sandy beaches to dazzling buildings, tasty treats to lively festivals, Barcelona has it all. Whether you dream of climbing Montjuic, trying churros, or dancing at La Merced, this city is ready for you. What would you do first in Barcelona? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing travel adventures.